How to make mustard greens stew. You need the following ingredients: 2 kg of mustard greens, 2 kg of roasted chicken, roasted duck, and roasted pork, 3.5 liters of water, 1 can of sardines, 3 tomatoes. You will also need these condiments: 3 pieces of assam or 3 tablespoons of tamarind paste, 3 pieces of dried chilli, 2 bulbs of garlic, 2 pickled plums, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, and sugar to taste. First we will cut the mustard greens into 3 parts. Separate the roots and the leaves. Add some salt to the mustard greens and thoroughly wash it. Cut the tomatoes into chunks. I am making a larger portion, so I will use more tomatoes. You can use a quantity that works for you. Open the can of sardine in preparation. After the water boils, you can add in the garlic, dried chili, assam pieces, and tomatoes. Lastly add the plum. Then you would add in the roasted chicken, roasted pork, and roasted duck. When all the ingredients are in the pot, stir homogeneously. Then add in the mustard green roots. This is because the roots are tougher to cook. Stir the pot again, and let it boil for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add in the leaves of the mustard greens. Then add in your sardines. Close the pot and slowly boil it for 20 minutes. After that you can start adding the condiments. Be sure to taste it before adding anything. Add the condiments to your liking. First add your tomato paste, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, salt and sugar to taste. After stirring, close the pot and boil for another 10 minutes. And you're done. Goddamn! So sour and spicy, it's delicious. An easy way to make this dish. Hurry up and try it. Please like and subscribe if you like the video.